This embassy is so busted. In Ghaziabad, a man was cruising in luxury cars like Audis and Mercedes with diplomatic plates, claiming to be the ambassador of a country called West Africa. But here's the twist. West Africa exists but isn't recognized by other countries. The accused Harshvardhan Jain was brokering deals by acting as a diplomat. He rented a 2-story house in Kavinagar, Ghaziabad and lined it up with flags of various countries to make it look like the real deal. To make himself look authentic, Harshvardhan used digitally edited photographs of himself with dignitaries such as the Prime Minister and President. He posed as the ambassador of not just West Africa, but also micronations such as Siborga and Ladonia, and a completely made-up country called Polria. Micronations are self-declared countries which are not recognized by other countries, so there's no need for an ambassador or an envoy. Harshvardhan's embassy's interior mirrored an international consulate using fake diplomatic passports, tons of stamps from countries that don't exist, and fake Ministry of External Affairs seals. For the past few days, the police were receiving information from various sources that in Kavinagar area, people were illegally putting flags of different countries and painting them on vehicles. Then, on 22nd July 2025, the Uttar Pradesh Police's Special Task Force raided Harshvardhan's bungalow. In its preliminary investigation, they found that he had been fooling people and companies and promising them jobs abroad in return for commissions.
ऐसी आइडेंटिटी दिखा करके लोगों को दलाली करना, विदेश में काम दिलाने का बात कहते हुए लोगों के साथ में दलाली करना, इसके अलावा उनसे ठगी करना और कुछ शेल कंपनियों के माध्यम से हवाला का रैकेट चलाना, ये काम ये करता था.
The police also found 44.7 lakh rupees in cash and foreign currency amounting to 30 lakh rupees at this embassy.
हर्षवर्धन की गिरफ्तारी में उसके पास से 4 गाड़ियां मिली है जिसपे डिप्लोमेटिक तरीके के नंबर डाली हुई, नंबर प्लेट्स लगी हुई. इसके अलावा इसके पास से 12 अलग अलग पासपोर्ट्स मिले हैं जो कि अवैध है. 2 कूटरचित प्रेस कार्ड्स इससे मिले हैं.
Additional Superintendent of Police, Noida STF, Rajkumar Mishra said Harshvardhan confessed to running this embassy so he could dupe businessmen and run a hawala racket.
यहाँ उल्लेखनीय बात ये भी है कि ये अभियुक्त 2011 में भी एक बार गिरफ्तार हो चुका था. इसके पास से उस समय पे सैटेलाइट फोन बरामद हुआ था और थाना कविनगर में उसके खिलाफ मुकदमा भी पंजीकृत किया गया.
Legal proceedings were underway by the time of publishing this report.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow us.